Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to get your plane ticket from Expedia. If you've booked a flight through Expedia and you're wondering how to actually access your plane ticket, you're not alone. A lot of people complete their booking but then aren't sure where to find their ticket, confirmation, or boarding details. The good news is that Expedia keeps everything organized within your account, so you can easily retrieve your ticket anytime. Whether you need it for check-in, printing, or just confirming your travel details, it only takes a few steps. To begin, open your browser and go to Expedia. Log into your account using the same email you used when booking your flight. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see an option called Trips. Click on Trips. This section contains all your bookings, including flights, hotels, and other travel reservations. Inside the trip section, you'll find your booked trips. If you've already booked a flight, it will appear here. If you haven't booked one yet, you can also create a booking directly through Expedia, and it will automatically show up in this section once confirmed. Click on the trip that contains your flight. Now you'll be taken to your trip details page. Here, you'll find all the important information related to your flight, including flight number, departure and arrival times, airline details, passenger information. Look for options like View Ticket, View Itinerary, Get Boarding Pass closer to departure date. In most cases, your plane ticket is included in the itinerary or confirmation details. You can view it directly on the screen, download it as a PDF, or print it if needed. Expedia may also send a confirmation email after booking, which contains your ticket details and itinerary. As your travel date gets closer, you may also see options to check in online, access your boarding pass, get updates about your flight. Make sure to double-check all your details before your trip to avoid any issues. Using Expedia makes it easy to manage your bookings and access your plane ticket anytime from the trip section. To summarize, getting your plane ticket from Expedia involves logging into your account, going to the trip section at the top right, selecting your booked trip, and accessing your itinerary or ticket details. From there, you can view, download, or print your ticket as needed. And that's how you get your plane ticket from Expedia. Once you know where to look, the process is actually very straightforward, and everything you need is stored in one place inside your account. The key is always remembering to check the trip section, since that's where all your bookings and travel details live. As you continue using Expedia, you'll get more comfortable managing your trips, accessing tickets, and even making changes if needed. It's all designed to make your travel experience smoother and more organized. Before your flight, make it a habit to review your itinerary, confirm your details, and check in early if possible. These small steps can save you from last-minute stress. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.